In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to go live on TikTok with video. So guys, don't waste much of your time. Let's dive right into the video. So right here is my TikTok live studio. So I've actually taught you guys on how to download the TikTok live studio. You can go ahead and check that video. I'm going to leave it on this video description. So once you are done installing and downloading and installing the TikTok live studio on your device, this is what it's going to appear like when you open it. So right here is the homepage of your TikTok live studio. So when you go to your TikTok live studio, just like this, at the top left corner you can see where it says add scene. Right here you can see full screen camera, you can see multiple widgets, you can see screen sharing. So you need to go ahead and select on multiple widgets, just like this. So when you do that, looking here on where it says source, you're going to see goal, you're going to see alerts, you're going to see chat bot, you're going to see chat box, you're going to see camera, and you're going to see image. So right here as well, you can see the plus button right here where you can see source. You can see the plus button right there. So you need to go ahead and click on that plus button in order to add a source. Go ahead and double tap on it. So once you click on add source, just like this is what you're going to see. You're going to see these options. So right here you can see where it says video. Go ahead and click on that because you want to go live using the video. So you need to tap on video, then click on add. You can see add right here. So when you click on add, just like this, so once you click on the video option, it's going to direct you to this page where you can actually click on select file. Looking here, you can see where it says select file. So once you click on select file, it's going to direct you to your device file manager. So you need to go to your device file manager and select any video you want to live stream with. After selecting it, you need to come back right here and click on go live. You can see the go live option right here. Now once you do that, you're going to start live streaming with that video you've actually selected. So this is how simple it is to go live on TikTok using a video. Right guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell as well. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.